Today we're going to take a quick look at this neat little device. It comes with this little thing to prick your finger, which comes apart here, and a needle cartridge goes in here. It sits in this paper little case, and when you open it up, it contains the little test strips. The meter is built into the bottle, which is really handy. And let's see if we can give it some outdated calibration solution. It's supposed to show, I think, 130. Let's see. It doesn't say what it's supposed to show, but yeah, that's close enough. So anyway, that's a little neat little glucose meter. And now we're going to take it apart. The refills are sold with the new meter cap, so it's a pretty much a disposable item. So I think this is meant to be clipped in once. There you go. That's the bottle. And that's the chip and the battery. Man, for this being disposable, oh yeah, it also has a button on the side here, and it stores a history of the readings. Let's see if I could get this to pop out. Without making a hole in my finger, hopefully. Let me see if I peel this back and push it from this end. It does not want to come out, does it? Or at least not willingly. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's latched into those little slots on the sides. So I'm gonna try and release it from that. There you go. So that's a case. There is, where was the button? Oh, there's the button. And this is the device right here. So let's try to put another test strip in it. Boots up. Calibration solution. There you go. Slightly different reading this time. So I guess let's get in further. Since this is disposable, let's take the battery out. It's a CR1220. Here's the little LCD screen. Yeah, of course it won't display anything. There's no backlight or anything on it. It's a very simple and cheap device. Although it's built very well. That's the interface where the test strip plugs in. And that is the chip. Looks like a Texas Instruments 84AXX9K M43F G4270 revision A. Is that just a general purpose microprocessor, or is it a dedicated chip? I'm not sure. I don't know my Texas Instruments chips off the top of my head. But yeah, that's all we got. There you go.